welcome back to my channel. How are you? How have you been? I know it's been a long break, but finally I'm back again with lots of new recipes and new videos. But of course, in the long break that I had, I wasn't just resting. I had lots of things to do. I had university, and most importantly, I filled up my shorts, and you can see all of them. I posted almost daily shorts, so don't forget to check them out right here. And without further ado, let's go to today's recipe. Today we are going to make a delicious cinnamon roll with puff pastry, which is like the quickest dessert you could ever make. So let's go and make it. Here I have some puff pastry which I have taught before, and it's not very frozen, but it still holds its shape, which will help us to work with it a little better. In another bowl I have about a tablespoon of softened butter, and remember that I'm making a small batch. Of course you can double or triple or even quadruple the recipe, but because I'm just one person and I make a lot of things daily, so I have to make them in small batches. Okay, to my butter I'm going to add a dash of cinnamon, which is about half a teaspoon. Then I'm going to add a dash of allspice, which is my secret ingredient for a perfect cinnamon roll, and it gives it a nice kick. Just a dash, you don't want to overdo it. Then add just a dash of salt. And also I'm going to add just a little bit of vanilla extract. Of course you can use the good liquid vanilla extract, but unfortunately I don't have it here, so I'm just using some powdered vanilla, but it gives it a nice flavor at the end. And also add around 1 tablespoon of sugar. Alright, after you have mixed all of your filling ingredients, just rub them together until it's like a paste. Alright, when your paste is something like this, very movable but the butter is not fully melted, then grab about a teaspoon of your mixed paste and just slowly rub it into your puff pastry. But remember that you want to make the sides a little space so that you can roll it perfectly. Alright, after you have made it into a sheet like this and you have spread your mixture, it's time to cut it into a desired shape, and then we're gonna roll it into our beautiful cinnamon rolls. Then to measure it and divide it in half, and then divide that into another 3 pieces. Of course this totally depends on your pastry, but I'm just going to divide it into these sizes. And then slowly roll them into their each sides like this. You can roll them too as you would roll the cinnamon rolls, but this way is much more fun. Alright, now I'm going to place my little tiny teeny cinnamon rolls into a baking dish, and I'm going to bake them in the oven. And now I have some beaten eggs, and I'm going to brush just the top with some egg yolks. And I'm going to drizzle some cinnamon sugar on top of each one. This is optional, but I highly recommend you do it. Okay, our little teeny tiny cinnamon rolls are out of the oven. They're so cute and delicious. Just look at them, just how cute they are. And I can move this a lot because they will fall out. But I really enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you did too. If you loved it, or if you enjoyed watching it, I would love it if you consider subscribing to the channel and share it with your friends. But before you go, don't forget to check out my Instagram page, which is right here, and I post delicious stuff there too. And also don't forget to check out my shorts part, because I post daily shorts and different videos there, plus tips and tricks. And before you go, I have some more videos ready for you right here. You can watch this beni recipe just here, and I will see you next time in another video. Bye!